Hey everybody, Chris Honig here at MarineMax Wrightsville Beach. Hope everybody's doing well this week. I have a treat for y'all. This is our brand new 2022 Cruisers Yachts. It's the all new 42GLS outboard. So we're going to start on the back of the transom. We outfitted this with triple 400 Verados in black. It does a nice accent to our gray hull, and it really flows well throughout this boat with the gray interior as well. So we have really nice lounge seating on the back, and I wish I could do it in this dock space, but you have two beach boarding platforms that will both hydraulically lower on both sides, and it really opens this boat into an incredible layout when you're anchored up at your favorite sandbar. Boat is 13 feet for your beam, and then when you unload both these beach platforms, you're over 21 feet in beam, so that makes this boat feel massive for 42. Right now I have a nice sunshade that is output all the way back, so if you're sitting in these lounge seats, you're still able to get that shade, and then with the push of a button, everything will retract back and you can have all the sunshine you want back here. Let's walk up. Notice as you're walking through, we have sea deck throughout the entire boat in the gray. Really nice with the pop of the white in the seating too up front. Beautiful teak bow table that will lower down and make a huge filler cushion to make a big lounge bed underneath the shade in the cockpit area. On the port side, we have a massive summer kitchen. So storage underneath here, sink, big grill. We have two very wide fridges. With Cruisers Yachts, they really want to make entertaining a key feature of their boats as well as performance. We'll have a TV that'll mount into there, which is stored in the cabin. And then one of my favorite things about Cruisers Yachts that I haven't seen on any other smaller outboard day boats is having the nice bar seating to be able to face aft when everybody's entertaining, and then be able to face forward when you're underway with a nice backrest. As we approach the helm, very wide helm seat for two. Nice little touches having an armrest for your passenger here. Big bolster cushion, so when you're up driving, great visibility throughout. I'm 6'3", and I still have excellent visibility here. And then you have for your shorter clients, you'll have a nice step that'll go down, and that'll elevate them another half a foot, so they can have that great visibility when you're running. Very nice boat, not only when you're standing up running, but also sitting down. Still excellent visibility throughout the whole entire boat, and great windshield on this end. Nice tilt steering wheel for different driving positions. All your gauges, push button LED light gauges. And then Cruisers Yacht uses Rockford Fosgate for their audio equipment. We have a very nice sound system with premium audio on this boat. Notice the acrylic dash with your two 12-inch Simrad display units. So great end on there. And then the best feature of this boat is with those triple 400 Verados, you have joystick piloting. So with joystick, you have 4 different operations of being able to use this boat. First is to be able to get this boat into any type positioning with docking with your joystick. Then you have Skyhook, which is your virtual anchor, which runs off your GPS, keeps your boat in the same 3-foot radius no matter what the wind, current, and tide are doing. And then you have auto heading and autopilot all built into that one unit. So our cruise in its 4th generation now and does an incredible job with that unit. Behind your joystick, when you're up and running, you have digital throttle and shift with your Mercury shifters here. A great positioning when you're sitting down and standing up. That's a big key feature of using this boat for your long extended travels, and then your great day travel to your favorite sandbar. If y'all follow me downstairs, we're going to enter the cabin area. As we come down the steps, you have a convection oven, microwave, and another fridge freezer down below, as well as a TV for entertaining your guests when they're down below eating, or your convertible table will lower down and create a really nice comfortable bed for two, and also still have some sunlight in here if you need it. But the main thing about this cabin, it has 6'7" feet of head clearance, and I'm 6'3" and fit very comfortably down here. Also, another feature that we love is a Seakeeper stabilizer that is on this boat. It's a Seakeeper 3, so when you're sleeping you can turn that on and be very, very comfortable in some nasty conditions. So we enter the head. This is a wet head with a beautiful well-appointed cabinetry, nice sink, vacuum flush head, and then there's your shower. So everything can be cut off from the sink area to keep everything dry on that end. But notice again the wood cabinetry on this boat. Everything's done in-house from Cruisers Yachts, and attention to detail is excellent on this boat. As we look down below, you have a full beam master down below with a big queen size bed and another TV in there. Also keeping you cool or warm, you have separate AC units down here, and then another AC unit up top to keep you cool. Now we're going to head out to the bow of the boat, and that's what Cruisers Yachts has done a great job of adding your entertaining space here, and then adding a third entertaining space on the bow of the boat. So super easy with raising this up, and then a full beam windshield that will fold over and come onto your other windshield on the starboard side. Great walk-through room, very wide. Here's your door screen when everything's closed in. And now you'll follow through, sea deck throughout, all into the bow. So incredibly comfortable seating on the bow here, whether you're sitting aft facing or forward facing on here, probably fits 6 or 7 people comfortably. Again, with that 13-foot beam, it almost comes in all the way till you get to this point. So very, very wide, comfortable seating on here. And then you'll have a windlass anchor with controls, freshwater washdown, and also we added a big bow shade on this boat. So your whole entire boat can be fully covered and keep everybody out of the elements of the sun. So this was a quick overview of your beautiful 2022 Cruisers Yachts 42 GLS outboard. Can't wait to come show you in person, and really look forward to getting you out on a sea trial today. So if you have any questions, please give me a call at 910-256-8100. Again, my name is Chris Honig, and hope you all have a great week.